Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajodha student. Today I am taking the introduction of chapter number 6, exercise number 6.1, class 9 mathematics from the NCERT. The name of chapter, geometry. That means lines and angles. Okay, student. Lines and angles, what is the mean of the line? ठीक है, you know that about the three types of the figures, first, second and third. ठीक है, in the first figure we represent the both side arrow, in the second figure we represent the one side arrow, और इसमें हमने कहीं पर भी arrow का यूज नहीं करा है. ओके स्टूडेंट, ये बेसिक है. वी विल स्टार्ट द चैप्टर विद द बेसिक. मैं हर एक चैप्टर को बिल्कुल बेसिक से लेता हूँ, चाहे आपने प्रीवियस क्लास में स्टडी करा हो या नहीं. Student, this is a proper example of line which consists both side arrow signature. One side arrow represent the ray. What is this? This is a example of line. This is a example of arrow, and this is a example of line segment. So what is the proper definition of angle? आपने देखा होगा जब भी हम कहीं पे भी एंगल लेते हैं तो हम ऐसा डिज़ाइन बनाते हैं. दैट मीन्स व्हेन एनी टू रे, फर्स्ट रे एंड सेकेंड रे, व्हेन एनी टू रे मीट एट अ पॉइंट, it is representation of angle. Okay student, now we taking the part of the triangle. ठीक है, पूरा बेसिक बताऊंगा. Then we take a first theorem of chapter number 6. We know that the sum of angle of triangle will be equal of 180 degree. ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द थ्योरम वी हैव टू प्रूव एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 180 डिग्री. दैट मीन्स वी टेकिंग द ट्राइंगल इन द फॉर्म ए बी सी. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ एज अ बेसिक वी विल स्टार्ट विद द सम थ्योरी रिलेटेड टू एंगल. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द एंगल? हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स यू नो दैट? फर्स्ट, ठीक है, बोथ साइड्स आर इक्वल. ओके स्टूडेंट. सेकेंड, एनी टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. ओके स्टूडेंट. Third one, angle which consists 90 degree. Triangle in which all sides are different. Okay student, in the first shape, triangle a shape which consists three sides and three angles are known as the triangle. Let we consider A equal to B equal to C. What is the mean of the ABC? ABC represent the sides of triangle. Let we consider both sides are equal and both angles are equal. Okay student, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. These type of triangle are known as equilateral triangle. Okay student, in the case of the equilateral triangle we know that the all sides and all angles are equal. In the case when any two side, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा कि A equal to B, मैं बोल रहा हूँ any two sides are equal. If A equal to B not equal to C, if A not equal to B equal to C, if A equal to C not equal to B, if any two sides are equal एंड क्रॉसपोंडिंग एंगल्स आर इक्वल. अगर जो आप ये वाला केस ले रहे हैं तो ध्यान से देखिए, ए एंड बी आर इक्वल सच दैट एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल बी. ठीक है, हियर इफ बी एंड सी आर इक्वल दैट मीन्स एंगल बी इक्वल टू एंगल सी. हियर ए एंड सी आर इक्वल दैट मीन्स एंगल ए इक्वल टू एंगल सी. दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल आर नोन एज आइसो. ठीक है, ये क्या है स्टूडेंट? इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. When all sides are equal, a triangle are known as equilateral triangle. When any two sides or any two angles are equal, these type of triangle are known as the equilateral triangle. Here, a shape which consists one single angle will be equal of 90 degree. Student, a front of 90 are known as the hypotenuse. Let me consider here is the angle, so the front of angle are known as perpendicular and another will be equal of base. Student, this type of triangle in which any angle will be equal of 90 degree. any angle will be equal of 90 degree. Let we consider A, B, C such that angle A equal to 90 degree and relation between the B and C will be equal of 90 degree. These type of triangle are known as right angle triangle. क्या बोला मैंने इसका नाम? right angle triangle. In case of the right angle triangle, the front side of 90 degree are known as hypotenuse. Let me consider B is an angle. The front of angle are known as perpendicular and remaining side are known as base. Okay student, by use of the statement of PGT, what is the meaning of the PGT? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem we apply in the case of the right angle triangle. Here the hypotenuse is a longest side, that means a hypotenuse is greater than perpendicular and hypotenuse is greater than as compared to base, that means a hypotenuse is greater as compared to perpendicular and base both. By use of the statement of Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse will be equal of the sum of square of another two sides. That means hypotenuse square will be equal of perpendicular square plus base square. First one, a triangle are known as the equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle. A part of this type of triangle is a fourth category where A not equal to B and not equal to C. All sides are different such that we can say all angles also different as compared between each other. Student, firstly, what is the meaning of the line? Definition of the line with the representation ray, and this is a line segment. Another definition related to angle. Types of angle, that means are two types of angle, obtuse angle and acute angle. The more than 90 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay student, then after we study the types of triangle. Now we taking the quadrilaters. Okay student, quadrilaters, the types of quadrilateral. First one, what is the definition of the quadrilateral? A shape, a mathematically shape which consists the four sides and four angles are known as the quadrilateral. First one, student, when all sides are equal, let me consider capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. This is small a, this is small b, small c and small d. Student, be careful. If A equal to B equal to C equal to D, if both sides are equal and both angles will be equal, Okay student, first one, if both sides are equal. Second one, both angles will be equal of 90 degree and both diagonals are equal, will be equal. These type of quadrilateral are known as square. Okay student, first one is the definition of the square. All sides are equal, all angles will be equal of 90 degree and the diagonals are equal, are known as quadrilateral. Okay student, then after we study another type of the quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal. For example, A, again B, C and D. Opposite sides are equal. A, B, C, small d. Okay student, small a, small b, small c, small d is a representative of sides. A will be equal of C and B will be equal of D. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal, and all angles will be equal of 90 degree. Student, in the case of square all sides are equal, but in the case of rectangle opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel to each other. This side parallel to this side and this side will be parallel to this side, and all angles will be equal of 90 degree. This type of shape are known as rectangle. Now define a parallelogram. Parallelogram is another approach which developed by use of a rectangle. बिल्कुल देखिए आप, rectangle को मैंने थोड़ा सा bend कर दिया. Opposite sides are equal. This will be equal of this and this will be parallel to this. That means this is a B, C and D, such that we can say A will be equal of C and A parallel to C, B will be equal of D and B parallel to D. Okay student, here also both are the parallel, that means A parallel to C and B parallel to D. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides are parallel, but diagonals are not equal, angles not equal to 90 degree. This type of geometry, this type of shape are known as rectangle. Okay student, then about the rhombus. Rhombus format made by use of the square. Let we consider, मान लीजिए एक रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स है, उसको हमने ऊपर से प्रेशर दिया तो क्या बनेगा, उससे हम बनाएंगे पैरेललोग्राम. बाय यूज ऑफ स्क्वायर we can draw a rhombus. In the case of rhombus, all sides are equal. A equal to B equal to C equal to D. A, B, C and D, all sides are equal. Okay student, and opposite sides, A parallel to C, B parallel to D, all sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel, diagonals are not equal, and angles on the vertices not equal to 90 degree. This type of shape are known as rhombus. Okay student, this is a square, rectangle, parallelogram, then rhombus. And what is the mean of trapezium? Trapezium, that means another type of the quadrilateral in which two sides are not equal but parallel to each other. देखिए, we taking only the symbols to represent the parallel. देखिए, both sides are parallel to each other and this is a perpendicular height. What is this? This is a perpendicular height. Here H represent the perpendicular height, and A not equal to B, not equal to C, not equal to D, but here A parallel to C. These are known as the parallel side and these are known as the perpendicular height. These type of shape are known as the trapezium. The definitions of the triangle define the different terms. First one is the equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle. In the case of the quadrilateral, square, then rectangle, then parallelogram, then rhombus and then trapezium. Student, now we take properties related to angles. Next topic, properties related to angles. Then after, properties related to lines. Okay student, we take a 3 alphabets X, Y, Z. जब भी आप एप्लीकेशन लिखते हो तो एंड में लिखते हो X, Y and Z. Okay student, first one is the X, second one is the Y and third one is the Z. ठीक है, how many property consist in the alphabet X? This angle will be equal of this and this angle will be equal of this. That means if A, B, C, D, such that we can say A will be equal of C and B will be equal of D. This property are known as vertical angle property. First one, vertical angle. This type of property are known as the vertical angle property. Now case of y that means this line is a example of straight line and these both will be equal of 180 degree. X plus y will be equal of 180 degree. This property are known as linear pair. In the case of linear pair, two angles on the same point, the sum of all angles will be equal of 180 degree, but condition of linear pair consists only two angles. Okay student, now z, two types of z's are available in market, ऐसा मैं बोल सकता हूँ मैथमेटिक्स में, ठीक है. z and mirror image of z, these angle, the internal angles, okay student, these angles a and b such that angle a will be equal of angle b. These property are known as alternate angle. Vertical opposite angle, linear pair, alternate angle. Okay student, now we take the another type of property. Two lines are parallel if, let we consider capital A, B, first line, C, D, another line, and third line intersect to first two lines. Let we consider LM is another line which intersect the parallel line AB and CD. Upper angles are equal. Angle X will be equal of angle Y. Upper angles are equal, that means lower angles W will be equal of K. X equal to Y, W equal to K. आपने जैसा उधर देखा यहाँ पर भी बोल सकते हैं A will be equal of B and C will be equal of D. Okay student, A will be equal of B, C will be equal of D. This type of property are known as corresponding angle property. First, vertical opposite angle. Opposite angles are equal, so this property are known as vertical angle. Linear pair x plus y will be equal of 180 degree. Alternate angle, A will be equal of B, B will be equal of A. Z, that means alternate, x vertical opposite angle, y that means a linear pair. When two parallel lines intersect by the another third line, that means corresponding angle, upper angles will be equal of 180 degree. इंटीरियर एंगल्स की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, या तो ऊपर वाले या तो नीचे वाले. दैट इज some properties, some important properties related to chapter number 6, lines and angles, and this is an introduction part of chapter. I hope you getting the all those points. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. Student, please like, then subscribe and also study from our channel.